Got something on the Tokyo. We got something on the Tokyo. Alright, what's going on, you guys? Snagging here. I'm gonna be heading out with Annika. I'm gonna do some fishing. I'm actually gonna test out the Tokyo rig for the first time. Have never used it before, been seeing it a lot online, so I thought I'd give it a go. I've got some Japanese plastics I'm gonna use with it too, so that should be fun. The bass are jumping quite a bit. If the Tokyo rig isn't working for me, there's a big bluegill spawn off right now. So they've already spawned, and all the little guys probably like an 1.5 to 3 inches in size right now, and I can see the bass feeding on them from where I'm at. So if the Tokyo rig's not working, I'm gonna be switching to something else, probably bluegill colored, and we're gonna be hammering fish. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you in the action. Nucks.
What? This is double?
Yeah, give me some nucks. 2 hooks, trailer hook. It means, well, it's for like, if the fish are just nibbling on the back of it there, you still get them. You miss a lot of fish like that, so they're good to have. Oh. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start out here with Tokyo rig. Put my other rod down. We got the net handy. Pliers ready. Let's catch some fish. I don't know, a nice looking thing, never thrown it before, so let's see. Know how to work it, but we're gonna try. We got something on the Tokyo. We got something on the Tokyo. Oh, let's go, largy, largy. Oh yeah, boys. Right on the Tokyo rig, take a look at that. Pretty early into the night, so. First fish on the Tokyo rig, nice like pound largy. That'll get me going. First fish on the Tokyo, boys. I'm gonna take a little break with this Tokyo rig and throw out my bluegill swim bait. It's a junior contender from Guggen. A little bit special, but I want to see if that bluegill spawn's working. Bluegill baits, right? That's what you do, guys. Alright you guys, I'm still pitching away here. Still like this lure. I thought I had my camera going, I missed one there. This one tucked my plastic pretty well right off. It's definitely something though I'd want to throw in the morning. I'm going right back to that. It's something I want to be throwing in the morning. Might not have chose the best time to use it, but hey, we still caught a fish and we're getting some love, so I'm not gonna be that mad right now. We got one, you guys. Another on the Tokyo rig. Oh, he smoked that thing. I was ripping it right through the. I was ripping it through the weeds there. Just sort of seeing if anything would hit it if I swam by quick. In this guy's mouth here. And this guy just clobbered it. He swallowed that thing.
Is that your pliers?
I got it. Beauty. Fish number 2 on the Tokyo. And we're going in the weeds. Oh no. Wouldn't this look appetizing? If you were a fish, would you eat this? Yeah, would you eat that?
Yeah.
Oh, got something. Little pikey. Oh, self-release. That's what I'm talking about. He did just about wreck my spinner though. Oh, it's my favorite spinner, man. Don't do that. Well, good as new. Oh, something else just bit it. See the swirls? Right there. Okay, so throw my Repel DT1 here. See if I could do some work with it across the top of the bay right now. Assuming the fish are feeding about this time of night, so be a good old wake bait. A little wake bait will do them some justice. I'm gonna rig your rod up for tomorrow when we get back, babe. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of me testing out the Tokyo rig. I'm definitely going to have to part 2 it with a morning video, flipping some docks and some heavier coverage. But, you know, the first impression, I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy. And the brand of plastics I got too is real good. So I'm happy I didn't lose any plastics and caught fish. Me and Annika are just tooting back there now. I'm going to head in, charge the battery up and gas it up. And then I'll be out tomorrow morning with another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. You like